This is another hand-sculpted tabletop fountain from Natural Creations, all hand-sculpted by master artist Charles Kern. The medium, the medium we use is pumice stone from Northern California, the High Sierras. This is silk ficus tree display. Also comes with one underwire light. Diameter is 14 by 8, 17 inches. Height is approximately 16 to 17 inches in height. All the paths in the water are guaranteed not to splash. Make it sound however you want. This has a really cool sound. You can also find us on the web at www.naturalcreations.com.